How to add effects to Instagram story. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to click the story option right here and click on camera button. Now we can just point at something that we want to capture, let's say right here. If we want to add something to our photo or video that we are going to capture, we can add effect to it. And Instagram has provided us various type of effect that we can add to our photo or video. Let's say we want to add an effect to our Instagram story. All we have to do is to swipe our shutter button to the right, and it will give us various effects option that we can choose from. We can choose here. You just have to keep on swiping it to the right to find the appropriate or the effect that you want to use or utilize. And if you want this effect specifically, you can just take a picture, and now you can add this effect to your Instagram story. So that's how to add effects to Instagram story. Hope we help.